guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. I have a track rod end that is seized, so I'm showing you how to do it. Right, what I've done is I've put a jack there, yeah, so then obviously this bit will hit there and it won't spin. I've also got an axle stand on here, which will be like that. So the plan is to heat this up, because this nut, I can get this nut undone, but the actual track rod is completely and utterly seized. So what I'm going to do is you're going to use this, one of these, and I'm going to spray it all on there for a good 5 minutes, and then basically hopefully it should get red raw, nice and glowing, and then fingers crossed it will loosen it. So let's give that a go now. This. It works. Blowtorch. Yeah. See it's going red raw now, it's glowing. Right, and what we'll do is we'll stick this on there. Oh shit, that's hot. And we'll tap it. Should definitely have gloves, because that's boiling hot. But as you can see, it's going, which is good. Right, so what I'm going to do is heat it up again a bit more, and see if we can move it a little bit more, because it's not moving as much as I wanted it to do. It's definitely moving. Right, so I'll heat it up again, and then I'll show you the final result when it's off. Well, as you can see, I've actually moved it right around near 360 degrees. There's a gap now there. It's still very stiff, so I'm just going to heat it up again even more. And then fingers crossed, it should come off. Bye. No?
Somebody in a working van wearing just black and
You sure it ain't the van that's been doing all the things?
I don't know.
Do we come down with you? Ouch. Oh. Oh, there you go. It's going now, guys. I don't dare touch it. I can feel the heat already still. Oh. Ah. Getting there. That's good. That's good. We are getting there at last. Didn't think this would ever come off, to be honest, guys. I soaked it in oil, soaked it in penetrating fluid, tried everything. The last resort was heat. And it looks like we have defeated it at last. Annoying thing is, I'm gonna have to get his tracks now. Because it's so rusted up. Obviously you meant to count the turns, but I've lost count because I can't get this fucker off. It's still hot. That's crazy. Ouch. Yeah, that's still hot. If you keep your hand on it long enough. Ouch. Shit, that's hot. As you can see, that's proper corroded in there, look. That is boiling up. I'll see. Yeah. Ah, Jesus Christ. So what I'll do is I'll put the other one on. Right, so I've twisted that on. Whack this on here. Should be able to use. Take the jack off. And shove that under it. car's gone. Speak to you soon, guys. Have a good day. See you later.